Hey folks, James from Bommer here with another feature video. Today, we'll be talking about Bommer for Fusion 360. Now, nothing too fancy mind you, just a simple walkthrough. So here we have the bike frame within Fusion 360, and here we have Bommer. Now, Bommer at its core is a bill of materials editing application, so we'll start there. By mousing over and selecting the Edit Bill of Materials, and then expanding this view, here we can see all the properties of all the components of this particular project. Down here you can toggle between general and vendor views for the properties. All of these are fully customizable. Now, some of you may be wondering, but what if I need to add additional properties to my bill of materials? That would be an excellent question and one that we've thought of. By expanding the Bomber tab here and going down to settings, you have full control over what properties go into your bill of materials. Down here you can add, delete, or reorder the rows as you see fit. Now, what if you're thinking, I need to edit the properties of this one part, but I don't need to open the whole table? Also thought of that scenario. So if we click here on the browser tree, and then hit Edit Part Properties, here we have the properties for this one particular part. All fully customizable once again. Now, once you have everything the way you like it, open the Bomber tree, go down to Export, and here we see all the properties for your final bill of materials. Here you can select if you want flat, hierarchical, or parts only, and even what properties you would like to include in here. Select OK, select a name, and then even select which format you would like it in, XLSX, CSV, or JSON, and then hit save. Simple as that. Now, I realize I covered a lot of content in a short time, so I'll also include a link to our Getting Started for Bomber for Fusion 360 guide right here. Well, that's all I have for you today, folks. As always, have an awesome day. James, signing off.